Good evening. It is December the 6th, 2016. I did promise you on the weekly weather briefing this past Saturday night that I would do a special video update concerning the Wednesday night and Thursday morning system. And with that, we have to have some cold air if we want to see some snowflakes flying. Currently, temperatures on this Tuesday evening are in the upper 30s to low 40s. Temperatures over northwest Tennessee right now are in the low to mid 30s because of some clearing sky conditions that are taking place there right now. We still have partly to mostly cloudy skies covering most of our region right now. Those clouds will begin to clear out later on tonight, leading to some very cold temperatures. Some of us reaching the upper 20s to low 30s. Some of those area roadways, mainly back roads that have that thin layer of moisture left on them right now, could see a couple of slick spots tonight because of those thin layer of moisture gradients on the roadways, and that could lead to a couple isolated slick spots, mainly your overpasses and bridges, where they tend to freeze over quickly than your area roadways. Looking at this upcoming Wednesday night and Thursday morning, the GFS is not loving this event. It hasn't loved the event ever since the briefing the past Saturday evening. Before then, it was showing a pretty decent snow event for our area, but since then, it has backed off considerably, and it has stayed consistent with its idea. You can tell it shows a few isolated snow flurries, snow showers over northeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Kansas. Those snow showers completely dissipate before they get to our region. And look at this, by the time some folks in mid-Texas are going to work Thursday morning and school, could be waking up to a little bit more snowflakes than what we're experiencing here. So when we do get a chance of winter weather, it seems like it seems to miss us to our south. But we're going to get colder temperatures than they're getting going into this next Arctic outbreak. I figured I would go ahead and show y'all the upcoming Arctic outbreak heading our way, since I am going to show you the possible snow in our area Wednesday night, Thursday morning. Might as well go ahead and show you the major headline news-making air that is coming into our area this upcoming end of the week. I'm going to show you another model, and this model is, it handles the snow a little bit more bullish than the GFS shows it. Bullish meaning that it paints more snow and rain over our area, a little bit more precip than the GFS shows. The GFS is not as high definition as the NAM 4KM model is. So this one has a little bit more snow. It shows those little specks of showers and rain over the area. You can tell that it does show rain in parts of southeast Missouri, northeastern Arkansas, snow back and towards central Missouri and northwestern Arkansas, and a few snowflakes in parts of our area in western Kentucky, mainly the Pennyroyal area, maybe changing to some rain showers as you work your way into the Purchase area, snow in southern Illinois, and extreme southwestern Indiana. That rain in parts of the Purchase area quickly changes over to snow, and then it departs our area before sunrise on Thursday morning, and we're left with very chilly temperatures. This one shows hardly any snowfall for our area. In fact, none. I mean, it shows a dusting to an inch in parts of the Missouri and Arkansas Ozark foothills. Looking at the NAM 12KM model, which is another run of the NAM guidance, it is a little bit more bullish than the NAM 4KM model. So this one is showing even a few more snowflakes and rain showers for our area than what the other run of the NAM was showing, the 4KM. And this one shows that rain moving in on Wednesday night, Thursday morning. Now, it shows a little bit more snow over parts of our area than the NAM 4KM model showed where it was raining. This one has a few more snowflakes. As you can tell, the Purchase area has a little bit more snow than what the other was showing. Now, most of this green could be snow because sometimes the models don't handle events like this very well. We have a lot of cold air aloft. Temperatures at the surface at the time of this rain/snow showers will be in the mid-30s. So any of this that falls will not stick. Just going to be pretty to see it fall, and you're going to have to stay up late if you want to see anything falling out of the sky. It wants to show a little bit more snow than what the 4KM model was showing, but it also shows that snow departing our area before sunrise on Thursday. And you can tell it has a few little specks of dusty parts around the central and eastern parts of Kentucky, but in our region, still, this one's showing nothing. So we're seeing some agreement in the guidance that we're going to see some rain/snow showers, but we're not going to be seeing any accumulation. These are going to be our temperatures going into this event. Right now, it is showing that temperatures on Wednesday afternoon will only be making it into the low to mid 40s like we had today. So another chilly day on tap for the area. Temperatures will then cool down going into Wednesday night, and we will see temperatures, like I said, during the event staying around the mid-30s, some of us reaching that freezing mark. But with the clouds in the area and possible precipitation, temperatures are going to struggle to hit that freezing mark. But once it clears out, temperatures will start to warm up, because when this event clears out of the area, we will begin to see the sun come up, temperatures warm into the mid-30s and upper 30s for the Thursday afternoon time frame. We're not going to be seeing a lot of warming taking place, and then temperatures going into Wednesday night, Thursday morning, dipping into, Thursday night and Friday morning will be dipping into, let's say, the looks to be showing the low to mid 20s. So very cold Arctic air coming into the area. We'll take a better look at those temperatures. These are the maximum daily high temperatures going into this upcoming Thursday and Friday. Temperatures on Thursday, this one showing low to mid 30s. Temperatures on Friday showing low to mid 30s. Some upper 20s in there possible. This is just one of several Arctic outbreaks to come. I'm watching another one next week. I'll have more on that one in this upcoming week's weekly weather briefing, which will be posted on Saturday. This upcoming Saturday, I'll have more information on a possible winter mix to rain event on Sunday, and then a possible another system along with a very cold intrusion of Arctic air coming in next midweek, and then another system the following weekend. A very active pattern in place. In fact, many areas overnight last night, that Monday night, Tuesday morning storm system I talked about in this past Saturday's weekly weather briefing, I was saying that we could end up with at least an inch of rain in some areas, and that ended up happening. I got over an inch of rain at my place, and very welcomed rain here at the western Kentucky area. Temperatures by then starting to fluctuate. Here's that other Arctic outbreak getting sniffed out in the models. I think temperatures will trend lower with this event. Some of the ensembles on the European and GFS are now starting to show that Arctic outbreak as well. So that is another Arctic outbreak after this one. So many people might start to get sick of this winter weather already starting to come in. Speaking of winter weather, I'm good friends with Bo Dotson. He's a meteorologist for western Kentucky, southern Illinois, southeast Missouri, and parts of northwestern Tennessee. He will be holding a State of the Weather presentation in the McCracken County Public Library upstairs on December the 8th, which would be this coming Thursday in 2 days at 7 o'clock p.m. He will be discussing forecasting winter weather and the winter weather in our area. So I would encourage you to go and join that and meet him. Very inspirational to me, and I hope that you would come out and go to this event, as will I. Looks like there is going to be some information that some of us need to know about this winter weather here in our region. That is all that I have for tonight. If we have to do any more updates between now and the upcoming briefing, then I will do one. But as of right now, it stands that just this upcoming Wednesday night, Thursday morning is going to have a couple of flurries, snow showers, a couple of raindrops mixed in there as well. It won't stick and accumulate, so many of you will go to bed Wednesday night and Thursday morning and not even know that it did anything in the region.